Too much running with blind eyes, a fickle rat race, a fickle prize. Too much grasping at fake things, empty hands and hurt feelings. Too much action, not enough of that silent stare of love. Too much looking far ahead, what if this in case of that? Placing hope in the next step, but tripping on the one I'm in. Not enough of asking questions, skipping only to the answers. So slow down, the earth will turn without your will, and it's slow down, and the fire will burn without your touch, and it's slow down. And come this restless heart of mine. Too much thinking, too much time to get our hopes hung from these lines. So too much weight hangs from our feet before our journeys even come.